What's up, YouTube family? Greetings from Baghdad, Iraq. Welcome to my hooch. This is where I reside. It's been forever since I've seen you guys, but it's good to be back. And let me just say thank you to Kenny over at North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Leave a link right here. Because when he slips into your DMs, you answer, you know what I'm saying? Got you, boo. In all seriousness, right now, what we're gonna do is we're going to do a collaboration with 3 other different great YouTubers. Of course, I just mentioned Kenny. Everybody knows Kenny, North Texas Barbecue Addicts. We've got Zach Williams with Brisket Medic right here. Tina Cannon with Tina Cannon Cooks right here as well. Super famous. Growing channels, please, if you're a subscriber of mine, go over there and subscribe to them. Tell them Old Red sent you. Send them some love. Send everybody some love. And thank you. Thank you very much. In addition to doing a collaboration with those 3 amazing people, my buddy Anton, who does a lot of barbecues, his parents do with me whenever I'm in Northern Virginia, he tried to do some pizza for his family, and it didn't work out so well. So Anton, this video is also for you and for all of those kids and adults who have always wanted to make the best possible Neapolitano pizza ever. And just a few steps, you can make it same day. You can pre-make it, the dough, and get it ready. But this is the perfect Super Bowl meal. Come holla at your boy. Again, if you're new to this channel, like this video and consider subscribing. Join Old Red on this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. And without further ado, let's get to it. I also want to say a shout out to my family. I know you guys are watching this. Lucas, Matthew, Giovanna, Isabella, Kayla. I love you guys. I miss you. I can't wait to come visit home. I'll be out here for a lot longer, but thank you for all of your love and support and all of your help. I miss you guys. For all of the ingredients that we're using today, you're gonna be able to see them in the show more description of this video. So go ahead and click that. I'll put it all down there. This is gonna be a very quick video. So let's get to it. So for the dough recipe, you can make this the day of. If you have 6 hours in advance, that's great. If you have more, wonderful. I recommend doing it 1 to 3 days in advance. All you need is 00 flour, salt, active dry yeast, and agua, H2O. That's it. The best Neapolitano pizza is the most simple, but more importantly, it's shared with the people that you love. Remember that. This is a recipe to feed 6 people, 6 12-inch pizzas, 6 10-inch pizzas, roughly. And let me know what you guys think. Make this, comment down below, go to Instagram, tag me in your picture after you make this. I would love to know your thoughts. And again, subscribe. This is just a quick video, but I'm gonna get into more details soon about what I use, why I use it, and the history behind it. Cool. What's up, good looking people? It's been over 24 hours since we've done the cold fermentation on these 6 pizza doughs. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. I've got a lot of really cool stuff coming up, to include showing you what some of the cool desserts and barbecuing I do here in the desert are. So stay tuned. Let's take a quick look. We need to set them out for at least 4 hours so they get up to room temp. And as we do that, we're gonna make the sauce as well, and I will do that with you right now. Let's take a look. So you can either do this with your hands or you can do it with a food mill. I love doing it with the hands, the kids love doing it with the hands, but I'm gonna do it with a food mill this time so I can get the most out of it. You can find this anywhere, San Marzano certified peeled tomatoes. That's what you want. Pomodoro San Marzano. Let's give it a go. You can either roll this out with a rolling pin, or you can have some fun with it and let the kids play with it a little bit. That's the fun part. Now you're making the corleone, you're making the crust, all right? The more you don't touch the outside, the bigger it's gonna be. All right, so there you have it. Super easy pizza. You can do it the day of, or you can do it in advance like I did. You can rest it even more. But guys, for pizza like this, follow me. Join me in this old journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue, as well as pizza. And have some fun with your families. Best of luck on the Super Bowl out there. LA Rams and the Cincinnati Bengals. It's gonna be on at like 3 a.m. here, so I don't know if I'm gonna wake up or not. So cheers to you guys. Thanks for the collab. Appreciate it, everybody. Go check them out. All the links are down below. Show more as well. If you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria. I love you guys. Cheers. One bite. That's living, baby. Cheers.